So we'll find the area of the lemniscate r square equal to a square cos 2 theta. Here a determines the size of the curve. Since the lemniscate r square equal to a square cos 2 theta is a basically 8 shaped curve. And this is the curve for r square equal to 4 cos 2 theta with size a equal to 2. Since r square must be negative, r square must be non-negative, so for that cos 2 theta must be positive. Since cos 2 theta must be positive when theta lying between minus pi by 4 and pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. So to find the area in polar coordinates, generally area A equal to double integral over r dA, that equal to double integral r varies from f1 of theta to f2 of theta, and theta varies from a to b. That means r limits are functions of theta, theta limits are constants, dx dy is r dr d theta. So for evaluating this integral we must know r limits and theta limits. So for finding r limits we draw the radius vector through the region and identify where this radius vector enters the region and where it leaves the region. It enters the region at r equal to 0 and leaves at r equal to r square equal to a square cos 2 theta. That means r equal to a root of cos 2 theta. Since the curve is symmetric about x axis, that means if you replace theta with minus theta, the curve remains same. So we will find area of the right loop, and we will multiply with 2 for whole area. Since the area equal to 2 times integral 0 to pi by 4, since this is here theta equal to 0, and if you rotate the radius vector we will get theta equal to pi by 4. So theta varies from 0 to pi by 4. So area A equal to 2 times, that means we are calculating the area of only one loop, that means right loop. 2 times integral 0 to pi by 4, 0 to root of a square cos 2 theta r dr d theta. So first we integrate this integrand with respect to r, treating theta term as constant. Integration of r is r square by 2, r varies from 0 to root over a square cos 2 theta. Now substitute the upper limit, we will get a square cos 2 theta by 2. So 2 cancel, a square is constant, integral 0 to pi by 4 cos 2 theta. Since integration of cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta by 2, theta varies from 0 to pi by 4. Now substituting the upper limit, theta equal to pi by 4, this is 1 by 2 minus substituting the lower limit 0, this is equal to a square by 2. Since for the total area is 2 times area of the one loop, so that is 2 into a square by 2, that equal to a square.